welcome to the 2018 season of the Best Garden channel on YouTube. Very soon we'll be planting seeds and getting plants growing inside to jumpstart our 2018 season. In the meantime, you can satisfy your green thumb during the winter. Check out our popular videos on winter sowing or cheaply designing your own small indoor growing space. Or, if you cannot wait for the spring and want to get ready now, visit some of our other popular videos, including a neat trick to grow your own chamomile without having to buy seeds from the store, some basic tips and tricks for caring for your tomato and pepper plants, and our most popular video to date is a fun little project in which we look at ways to cheaply keep a garden tiki torch burning. Subscribe now to learn with me as I grow fruits and vegetables in my Zone 6 garden. And stay tuned for our 2018 Subscriber Appreciation Seed Giveaway in early spring. Also remember that the best garden out there is your garden, and we would like to see it. Whether you have your own YouTube gardening channel or just want to show off your garden, we would love to help show your garden to the world. Send us an email to have your garden featured on our channel.